Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There is a tree amongst the trees which does not shed leaves and which is like a Muslim. Tell me which tree that is." The people started thinking of the trees in the forest. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "I thought swept through my heart that was date palm. But I felt hesitation." The companions radiyallahu anhum then submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tell us which tree that is." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "That is date palm." Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu says, "I mentioned it to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, if you had told that was a date palm, it would have been dearer to me than such and such thing." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7029.